Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure you actually have a stabilizer and enough battery power. Without at least 50%, the unit won't perform reliably. Open your inventory, highlight the stabilizer, and choose Attach, pick the vehicle, power suit, or cargo rack you're using. Do this now so you don't waste time in the field. Once attached, check status in the HUD and lock the mount point. This prevents drop-offs and lets the stabilizer begin countering tilt immediately. Once the stabilizer is mounted, power it from your vehicle or a linked battery. You want consistent output, so make sure the connection shows green. Then tune sensitivity. Set lower sensitivity for heavy, slow cargo to avoid oscillation, and raise it for faster runs to counter quick jolts. Make small adjustments and test immediately with a short drive or a controlled descent. If sway persists, reduce sensitivity and retest. This back and forth is how you find the right finish by securing straps and verifying the mount torque. A loose attachment negates the stabilizer's work. For long routes, carry a spare battery or even a backup unit so you can swap mid-journey. If the stabilizer glitches, immediately toggle power off then on and reattach the unit if necessary. This resets calibration. If problems persist, lower sensitivity and rerun the test. That quick reset fixes most issues and keeps your cargo safe until you reach the next terminal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.